All right, we're going to be working on editing the homepage. So when we log into the website for the first time, we'll see a layout similar to this. We're then going to hit Pages, and we're going to come down and click the Home button. This might be in a different location, but just look for the Home button.
Okay.
So then as soon as we click that, we are just going to find our page content box and hit Edit. Once we've done this, we can start monkeying around with the page itself. If we want to change the text here, we can come up and just highlight it and type in words or letters. We can also do the same for these items here if we want to change this text around. Now, when we want to change these call-out sections, all we have to do is hover over one of them and hit Edit, and move over here to
what is a call-out section? You mean the title?
Yeah, I'm calling this entire box the
call-out section.
Yep.
Okay.
So we can hit Edit, and then if we want to change the picture, we can hit Remove and drag in a new picture. So if we want to change the picture, remove, then drag in a new one. And if we want to change the button, we come over here and we can change the button text right here. So this is what the button says. And then the click-through URL is where the button goes. So we can just open this up and we can see all of the different pages that we have, and we can click to which page.
Lost.
So
URLs. What was?
Yep. So when we want to change the button item, we can come over here. This is
the button?
Yep, this is the button right here, this black button.
Okay.
And the words inside the button match the words here. So if we want to not talk about Passover and we want to talk about Shiva, or we want to talk about Easter, all we have to do is change the words here.
Okay.
And they will change on the button.
Okay.
And then if we change from Passover to talking about Easter, we no longer want our button to go to the kosher products page. We want to go to some other page.
Okay.
And the way that we change where the button goes, what it's quote linked to, is by clicking the URL, so the click-through URL. And all this means is now we're going to go find the page that we want it to go to instead. So instead of going to the kosher page, maybe we want it to go to the custom gifts page.
Okay.
And then we hit apply, and that will then this button will now bring us to the custom gifts page.
Okay.
Now,
and the same thing for the one on this side?
Exact same thing over here. So the one last item is if we want to change the title here, we don't actually have to open the box. We can just click and do title 1. And if we want to change, I keep opening this box.
Title 1?
If we want to just change this to say, maybe this first one is Passover, and the second one is
Michigan Gifts?
Yeah, sure, Michigan Gifts. Oh, come on.
Whatever, it doesn't matter if it's misspelled.
Michigan Gifts. And then we could type a little bit about the, come on, Spencer. Type a little bit about the gifts down here. So if you are looking for a handmade, blah, 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 blah.
Okay.
And then to change the picture, we just hit Edit, remove the picture, and add in a picture of something.
Okay, when you say pull in another picture, where did the picture gets pulled in? From my picture documents in my computer?
Yep, so we'll just cut out this picture here, and I'm just going to then hit Upload Picture. And these are pictures which are just on my computer, so wherever you have them stored on your computer. So
just pull them in from my picture.
Yep, your picture folder. Okay. So I'm going to pick this picture of a library.
Okay.
And then it will then upload the picture, do a bunch of optimization stuff so Google likes the picture a little bit better. Apply. Now we have the picture. Now the last thing we need to do is then hit the Save button, and the Save button then pushes this live.
Where is the Save button?
The Save button is in the top left-hand corner up here. So you see it says Save right here.
Okay.
And that's how we edit the homepage.
Okay, that's how we edit the homepage. How do we add a new item?
Let's